Hi friends, welcome to the Book Vamp. In last video, I have said about the adult coloring, why and what is adult coloring. In this video, I'm going to give a beginner guide for it, especially in India, because in India, we are really not talking about it. So today, I'm going to show you some options you have in Indian market, that is in online, to get your hands on adult coloring, and the supplies, which is these are really very basic items I'm going to show you. If you are not ready to spend money on adult coloring books, you can just search adult coloring pages, free downloads, free PDFs, and you would get lots and lots of pages for free. So you can go and get and print it out in your A4 sheet and you can start coloring. This was my first ever adult coloring book. In this I have colored lots of pages. If you like, I will do a flip through of colored pages in this book. This Dreamland publication was the best budget friendly adult coloring book because the pages are really textured. You can use markers or color pencils, anything you wish. You would love when you do this in this paper, because A4 sheets are not meant for markers or coloring pencils. This sheets would take it all in smoothly, so you would love to do coloring in these pages. The next brand which are giving very affordable coloring books for adults is Solimo. It's an Amazon brand. You can get this in amazon.in. This brand is also having, this publication is also having a beautiful coloring pages. There are so many other coloring books available in Solimo, so you can check it out in amazon.in. I will give the links below. The next publication which gives budget friendly coloring books are Wonder House, and these coloring pages are also very good, but I feel I have colored this page with the coloring pencil. I think it doesn't go well. I think these pages would go with the markers, so I think the markers would do very good in these pages. So they are also having really very good collections in their publications, so you can go and check them out also. And if you wanted to go and do the Secret Garden, I don't stop you, really. Secret Garden is the guru of adult coloring books, because this was the book which changed the game of coloring. So this is the best adult coloring book you could have. I have colored just one page in this coloring book because I wanted to do the best things in this pages, so I was waiting to do that. If you can spend and if you think you wanted Secret Garden, you can go and pick this up. This is a wonderful coloring book ever. Johanna Basford has so many books out, and you can pick any of her book and you can enjoy coloring. This is what I wanted to recommend you for the starters in the coloring books. And for coloring books, you have to have some coloring mediums, right? For supplies, I would recommend you to go for color pencils or color pens or color markers. You can go for any medium you like, but one thing you have to have in mind is you have to have many colors. At least you have to get choices in colors. Like if you have only one pink, it would be really hard to color with only one pink. So you have to have at least 2 or 3 pinks in your coloring medium. So that's why I was telling you to buy more number of colors. So go for more than 24 color choices, not within 24, go for more than 24 color choices, so that you could color with ease. If you know color theory, you can do blending and make layers and do colors, but it won't always work. So in the markers, you can't do that with colors. So you have to be wise when you choose the number of colors you're picking. So just go about 24 colors. For beginners, my best suggestion is Faber-Castell's bicolor pencils. And it has 18 pencils and the bicolor, so it has 36 colors in it. That was my first color pencils I bought for my coloring pages. And this was that. I have kept it in this box. These are the colors, 18 color pencils, but 18 bicolor pencils. So I highly recommend this pencil for you guys. And if you can go more than that, you can go for a 48 colors set in Faber-Castell. I have mapped 48 color pencils. I have stored them in here. This are also really good pencil. It has very nice pigmentation. You can go for this one also because it has 48 colors to choose. And also if you want, you can go for Apsara 26 color pencils. These are also really good and pigmentations are really good. These are really basic color pencils available in India, so you can get it anywhere. So I would suggest these pencils. For markers, I don't think any other markers comes with these many range of markers. I suggest you to get Faber-Castell 50 color connector pens. This have so many colors in it so that you have variety of colors to choose from and color it. If you like markers, you can go for this. But this color pens are not meant for blending, so blending would not be easy with this pens. So this is like a doodle color pens like that, so you can't do blending things on this color pens. If you want a plain colors in your shades, you can do this. And I have some trick to blend with this connector pens. If you want to know the trick, please like and comment down below that you like to get the trick. So I will show you how to blend with this connector pens. These are the coloring supplies you would need. Other than this, you should have a sharpener, eraser, that are basics. This is a basic coloring supplies I have given to you guys. If you want more, just comment down below. I would suggest you more than this. I have an endless collection of coloring books and coloring supplies. I would show you the things which are available in our country and you can choose from variety of things. I have given you the very basic things, so you can start from here. You just can start from here, have a printed coloring page, or just go and buy a coloring book from Dreamland or Solimo or Wonder House. They are all just 150 bucks, so you can easily buy them. So buy them, and you can just buy the Faber-Castell bicolor pencils that cost only 200, I think. And or you can buy Faber-Castell marker connector pens that are also just 250 rupees, I think. Just these things and you are very good to get started. If you are willing to know more about this adult coloring supplies and books, please like and comment in this video so that I would make more videos about this thing. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy coloring.